Hey everybody, we're here over at Rise Armament, which is a great company for a bunch of different types of triggers in all different price points. They've got something new and quite revolutionary they're going to debut, or they debuted today. And we're going to have Ty here kind of really give you the rundown on how this goes. Take it away, brother.
Yep. So everything is contained within the actual trigger, so no pins or anything are needed. So step one, you're just going to rest it on top of the lower, like so. Okay. You're going to depress the rear pin. Okay, you'll squeeze those, and then you just want to make sure that you're clear down here. Okay. And if you look down through the top, at the moment you'll see it's past that safety.
Yeah.
Okay. And then you'll squeeze in the prime, you'll seat it, and then once you have it seated, so this is how this goes. So it goes 90 degrees and it's magnetic. So just like that. And so once you get that on, you're going to close it, put the pin in, pull the trigger, stop.
To talk a little bit more about the trigger itself, what are we looking at, like pull weight wise?
Yeah, so it's 3 to 3.5.
3 to 3.5.
Yep.
What about trigger shoes? Because it's magnetic, but what's the benefit of having a magnetic trigger shoe for it?
Yeah, so it uses 10 pounds of force, right? So it's definitely not going to come off if unintentionally.
Right.
And so we're going to be offering curve, flat, different anodized colors. Yeah, so it basically just unlocks a lot of possibilities in the future.
So you can go from a curved trigger to a flat trigger,
absolutely,
just like that.
Yes, you can even do it at the range. Yeah, we're going to be doing different colors and all that.
So you've basically gone from like drop-in trigger, which takes tools and isn't truly drop-in, to being, well, actually truly drop-in, I guess is the best way to look at it.
And yeah, so we call them slide-in snaps.
Okay. Okay.
And yeah, so nothing to come loose, no pins. What's really another really cool feature is if you have like an A and B loader, right? It clears the bolt release and mag release, which a bunch don't. A lot get in the way of it whenever you drop the A and B bolt release. So that's another benefit to it.
Most people
yeah, and it can also adjust the length to pull for your trigger for small hands, long hands, whatever.
Super cool.
Yeah. So,
all right, let's try it. Let's see how easy it is. Yeah. All right. Ready? Yep. Set. Go. Come on, dude. Second place. Okay. Now you just got to see how fast and how toolless this design truly is. I'd only done it once or twice to get it to where we were here, and in 15 seconds we got this trigger in and we got trigger pulled, ready to fire in 15 seconds flat with this trigger. This thing's super cool. Super cool.